He's a pass to number 8. That is third down. Bonus free throw for jersey number 8. One shot is good, bottom of the board. There's a foul away from the ball, double down. Jersey number 18 ng Barangay Ilang-Ilang and jersey number 7 ng Barangay Tabe, double down. Time remaining 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. Score 88-76. High speed lead on jersey number 4, Narpasa. Jersey number 7, corner pass to jersey number 24, wide open for 3. Yes, agad. Body for the rebound. Ano ba jersey number 18? Isha on the round. Running down. Score 19-76. Jersey number 4 to jersey number 15. Size of Junior take a shot. It's good for 2. 2 minutes and 43 seconds play. Jersey number 17 and jersey number 4. Jersey Lisa. Wow, jersey number 4. Hold it back. That is first foul, penalty. Two free throws for jersey number 17, Babuyo. Send last number jersey number 17, jumpers ready. 9 remaining, 2 minutes and 40 seconds play. Second shot is good. 1 out of 2 for jersey number 17. Jersey number 24 to jersey number 7. It's going to get a turnover. Substitution. Time remaining 2 minutes and 35 seconds to play. Para sa ating fourth and last quarter score, 91-78. Quick cross para jersey number 17. Down in the ribbon. Next shot is good. We go to jersey number 24. Behind the back ball. Jersey number 24 on the run. Pick up shot is good for 2. Pass to jersey number 17. It's good. There's a whistle ball giving jersey number 15. That is third foul. Penalty. Next game, Magandang Nana. Barangay Chaong versus Barangay Tuntungan. Two free throws for jersey number 17, Babuyo. Send last one for jersey number 17, jumpers ready. Second shot, wala. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 24 on the run. Jersey number 15, Bautista. Order pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 8. Ano ang pinasahan? Jersey number 8. Jersey number 18, Richo. Pass to the middle, jersey number 16. 1 minute and 50 seconds to play. Under 2 minutes to play. He's a pass to jersey number 8. Following shot is good. Jersey number 6, great pass on the run, down in the demon, hooks it up, and it's so good. Masyado malakas. 1 minute and 34 seconds to play. Reserve timeout para sa Barangay Tabe. Jersey number 16.